Hey Internet, welcome to Thermodynamics tutorial. This is a made-up question not found in your textbooks. So we have a stone thrown in the air. It is launched with 200 newtons of force. We are in an area where the gravity is 9.79 meters per second squared. We want to find the net acceleration of the stone and the difference between free fall. So we've got 200 newtons going up and we've got a force of free fall going down, and we want to find the net acceleration, so that is the difference between the two. So it is this force minus this force, and then we can divide it by the mass, which will find us the net acceleration. So step 1, draw your free body diagram, your FBD. This will help you visualize the problem. Okay, without this picture, me speaking would probably be a little bit difficult. Alright, so list all the given values and the unknown. This will help you figure out formulas. Step 2, find the formula for acceleration. So the basic formula is A is equal to F divided by M. Then we go into a little bit more specific. So net acceleration is equal to the net force divided by the mass. Step 3, find the net force formula. So it is the upward force minus the free fall force. So next up, we need to find the free fall. So upward is given. So the formula is F is equal to mg. Step 5, we find the free fall force, so 2 kilograms, that is the stone, multiplied by the gravity in the specific area, and then multiplied by your conversion factor. So you'll get 19.58 newtons. From there, we can backtrack and find the net force. So it is the difference between the two. So 200 newtons minus 19.58 newtons. So that's 180.42 newtons. Now from there we can backtrack one step even further. So we will find that the acceleration, or the net acceleration, is 180.4 newtons divided by 2 kilograms. Okay, and then you multiply by your conversion factor in reverse. So this will cancel out the units to make your meters per second squared be the only unit remaining. So this will give you 90.2. So actually it'll be 90.21 if you want to go 2 decimal places. Alright, so 90.21 meters per second squared is your net acceleration for the stone being thrown up versus the gravity pulling it down. Disclaimers, the method is correct, however, I do make calculation mistakes. I encourage you to solve it yourself and see if you get the same answer. Before we go, I encourage you to save this video on your PC. You can do this by using the snipping tool. So I'm sure most of you are familiar. For those that are not, follow the steps that I'm going to go through. You can pause the video and read the steps yourself. So use the snipping tool. You can find this in your taskbar or search on the Windows bar. Once you open it, click on the video option, then click on new. Left click, drag your rectangle, cover the YouTube screen. This is just an example. Click the start button, wait for the countdown. Click the replay button, let the video finish. And then click the red square to stop recording. Save your video to where you want. Alright. So, like and subscribe. Definitely share with your friends because this is a made up question and they won't be able to find it. If you want to support me, become a member or drop a super thanks. If you have questions, leave it in the comment section, or if it was helpful. Alright, until next time, see ya.